In this lesson, we're gonna go over how to draw a daffodil. It's gonna be simple, easy. A little bit different for the flower drawings is I'm trying to make them more realistic, meaning they're still gonna be line art, but I'm trying to make them, thin lines, more true to form, right? Instead of cartoonish. But that's what this is a daffodil. Really cool looking flower. It looks like a horn with like a regular flower stuck in the back of it. That's the way I think of it. But really pretty, really simple, by the way. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so let's jump into this flower here. Alrighty. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a small circle, like curve, like a C. C shape. You can draw a full circle if you want. Straight line, straight line. It's going to be like sticking out of something. Okay. And now, because it's going to look like a horn, pretty much, this flower is awesome. It's going to have like a horn type look. So I'm going to have a curved line here for kind of where it's receding. And then on the outside over here, I'm going to draw this. See this kind of pattern around here. It's kind of this wiggly pattern, and I'm going to keep it going. Alright. That's going to be like the outside of the horn area. I'm going to pull in over here, curve over here. Okay, that's what I mean by horn. Looks like a trumpet or something. Kind of just like round. And then around it's going to have petals. Really beautiful flower. If you have any other kind of flowers, by the way, let me know. Whatever you want me to draw. Out over here. Out over here. Curve. In here. Over on this side. Curve. In here. So that's like one petal. And these petals are going to be all around. So I'm going to go over here and draw another one. Curve. And over here. Curve over here is going to come over here. Over here on this far end. Curve. In here. Curve. Back. Alright, so these three petals on the base of this horn. Over here, we're going to go over here down. Same thing, add another one. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button. I post 3 times daily. Basically what it does is when you subscribe, it lets you know which, basically what I'm drawing that day. So it's going to show you on your feed the thumbnail of what's going on, and you can decide whether you want to draw that day. There's no downside. So hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe in. Gonna go over here. Add another petal over here. And then maybe one over here in the far end. Right on. I'm gonna add the stem already. I'm gonna pull down here. Pull down here. Now we're gonna get into the detail of this, right? The lines, the striations, and this stuff. So right here, I'm gonna go curve, curve. Yeah, maybe curve down the middle, right? I'm using a lighter line, a lighter touch on it, so that it looks like detail, right? So it's the lines are thinner than it would be on the outside. I'm gonna go to each one. Do that same thing. It makes it look more organic. Over here, the other one. Make them different lengths, maybe different spaces in between each one. Over here, same thing for this one. one over here, and over here in this area. Same thing. So for the horn, I'm following the shape that would make. Right? It's kind of like coming outward right there. Same thing over here. Again, still making it thin. And these lines, these detail lines are a big part of this, right? They make a huge, huge part of this whole thing. I'm gonna go down here to the base of this horn as well. All right, maybe put a little bit of shadow here. There we go. And that's it. That's a daffodil. Really beautiful flower. Amazingly fun to draw. But yeah, I don't know why people really, I don't know why. Yeah, a lot more flowers coming. I didn't realize how many people really enjoyed that. So yeah, thank you so much. And I will talk to you in the next video. And I want you to, yeah, let me know your thoughts. Other than that, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. The channel survives on likes. Literally, this channel will only survive on likes. I'm not kidding. The likes are what kind of bring people back to the channel, like as far as the algorithm goes. So if you like this video, hit that like. And if you like other videos or there's other subject matters you like on the channel, hit the like on those as well. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Stick around to see how you can see my entire full courses, and I'll see you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.